Hey YouTube, so if you guys want to see how I styled my hair like this, then definitely stay tuned, keep watching. I'm just going to give you guys a few hair specs before the video starts so that we get it all out of the way and we don't have to ask all the comments down below because it's right here and ready for you guys. So the hair I've used today, the color of it is 350, and I use 3 types of hair. So the first one I used is just going to be regular Kanekalon hair. I'm going to put it up on the screen here. And that was just in my braid to help it get a little bit thicker. And I also used passion twist hair in the color 350 as well, and I got that online from a company called Leave-In on Amazon. I'm gonna put it right here too, I hope. This is what it looks like. And then also for these hairs, I forgot what it was called, but I also got it on Amazon. It came in a pack of 6. And I believe it's called Ocean Wave hair on Amazon as well, and I will also link that down below. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you're gonna need in order to get this style, and that's all the specs of the hair and everything that I used. If you want to see how I got the style and watch the styling process, and if you need some tips and things like that, then continue watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a few seconds. So I try to make it so that my sections don't have the same starting line, you know, as the section below it. Stacked, almost brick pattern, but not fully, you know. Okay, so to moisturize my hair, I'm just gonna be using this Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. I don't like this on my daily hair use, so I just use it when I'm doing braids because it is really oily and it will keep your hair from getting really dry. So I'm just putting that on there. And then I'm going to use my Shine and Jam just to smooth the roots so they are slicked down, you know. Okay. So I'm purposely leaving a bunch of my baby hairs out because for this look, I want it to be pretty messy and flowy and to have a lot of baby hairs. So I'm going to just try to not grab those when I'm braiding. Okay, so for this I'm doing the knotless method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start braiding. What I do is I kind of start like a cornrow, so I just grab a bit of hair at the top and then add some more from the bottom portion. And then I'm going to add in a piece of braiding hair, and to lock it in I'm going to use a piece without anything attached to it and just braid it over. Then I'm going to add in a piece of passion twist hair, and I'm going to do this so that it's longer. Same thing, put it on the 2, the piece without it I fold down to lock it in. And because this section is on my thin edge hair, it's my thinner hair, I'm going to only add 2 pieces in. If this were on my thicker hair, I was adding 3. And then I'm just going to braid it all the way down. When I get close to my hair ending, I just make sure that my hair is tucked in between 2 of the braiding hair or the extensions or the crochet hair, just because I don't want my hair sticking out at all. And my hair, and I also haven't touched up my hair in a while, so the color isn't an exact match. So I just make sure I tuck it in while I'm braiding that part. Okay, and when I get to the bottom, I pretty much go all the way till the braiding hair can't go. Then I'm just gonna do a twist, just a little twist to lock it in, and then kind of twirl the hair together like this. And this is just because I want the ends to be curly and cute. And then once I'm done all the braids, I'm gonna mess it up a little bit more because I do want that messy boho type look. But I'll show you how I do that when I get there. Also, if you notice any other parts of my hair frizzy, I'm so sorry, but I fell asleep because this was taking me so long, mainly because I was watching a show. But I fell asleep midway without tying my hair or anything, so got a little crazy. I'm not the best sleeper, so you know, it got a little crazy, but it's okay. I feel like it's still fresh enough that I'm not gonna rebraid the ones that I slept on. Okay, so here's just a quick run through. So I just add the Kanekalon hair first, and then I go ahead and add in the passion twist hair, and I just make sure I add it to the back and then lock it in with the piece that doesn't have the extension.
And I just do that all the way down. So because this one is further back, I am adding 3 pieces of the passion twist hair and 1 piece of the Kanekalon hair just to help my hair blend in better and just to give it like a thicker, chunkier look.
Okay guys, so my camera kind of died, like completely died, no longer works midway through filming. So I have a new camera. We're ready to continue through this video. I pretty much stopped where it stopped. So this is like a day later. What I'm gonna do next, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of set the top while I work on the bottom. So I'm just gonna take some mousse and apply it to the top of my head. Okay, so once I put the mousse in, I'm just gonna tie my hair down. You can use anything. Honestly, a silk scarf would be best, but I can't find mine, so I'm just using this. So pretty much I want like a messy look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab pieces and start pulling them open. And this is just gonna make it a lot messier and a lot more like, you know, less uniformed. And you always want to start pulling from the bottom up to the top just to get that messy look. So once you start pulling them, they should get more to look something like this. So it's going to be less braid-like, whereas like this one is more like still a braid, whereas these ones, they're braids, but they're like, you know, curly and twisty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that randomly throughout my hair while I let the top set. Okay, so for the final step of this tutorial, to get that, you know, goddessy look, we're gonna go ahead and attach this crochet hair. So this is the hair I got from Amazon. It does say it's called Hawaiian curl, like on the bag, but I am gonna link everything down below so that you can see what it is and you can also get it. But it does say it's a Hawaiian curl, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty loose and cute. The reason I attach the hair afterwards is because I want to be able to take them out and put new ones in case they get ratty. But a way to stop them from getting ratty is to put got to be gel along the curl so that it, you know, it doesn't get frizzy because the gel is like encased around it. Okay, so I just felt like I had to do my baby hairs before I started so you guys can see it all like slowly come together. So for the crocheting part, what I did was for the front, I'm just gonna split 1 piece into 2. So this is what I did. This is 1 piece that it comes with, but they're a little too thick, I think, for how I want the front of my hair. So then I'm going to just, I have like a super large crochet needle, so hopefully it works. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to stick in the needle. Then I'm going to kind of twist the hair at where I want to apply it. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist it a bit, put it in the loop, and then close the loop. Okay, so once you have it in and closed, you're just gonna slide it through and grab it at the other end. Okay, so when I pull it through, I have my loop and I'm just going to pull my hair through, come back around, pull it through again, and then kind of push it all down. And then you're gonna have your first piece in. If you notice it's getting too loose, you can just pull it through a few more times. Go through once, go through twice, go through 3 times, go through 4 times, and then kind of push it all together when you're pulling. And it's gonna be much tighter and locked in and secure. Okay, so there we have it. These are gonna be my face framing curls. So I made 1 shorter and 1 longer. The tricky part for this is gonna be matching it on the other side. So yeah, now that I have my front bang pieces added, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go randomly through the section and add pieces. So for the pieces on my actual hair, I'm gonna do bigger sections. I'm just gonna do a full piece. That way I don't have to add as many. So again, I'm just gonna twist it to get it to stay, put it in, close the loop, drag the hair through, Sometimes I miss pieces, but that's okay. I just throw them out. Okay, once I drag it through, I get my little loop, put it through. So for here, I only put it through like 3 times because I feel like it's just gonna stay better. And then I have my pieces added like so. And then I have my little curls. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is it when I pull both sides to the front. I ended up just using 1 pack of this, I think it was Hawaiian curl or wave hair. When you order it, it comes with like a pack of 6, and I only used 1 of those packs, so it would really last me a very long time. But as you can see, this is what we're looking like. So she's very wavy, curly, messy, like island vibes. And I do have these money pieces at the front. So like if I were to put my hair up and do a style or something, you know, I could leave these bang pieces. And it's super, super, super cute like this, you see? Yeah, it looks really great. So yeah, so you can wear it to the side like this still, and have like a little side water wave moment. As you can see, this is like really, 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 really cute. But yeah, so I really like how these turned out. I'm actually shocked. I'm actually shocked because I haven't really seen anyone do this particular exact style. So because it is passion twist hair, it's also like much lighter than if you were to get like full out braids, because you know when you be getting box braids, they're so heavy. It's lighter. This is lighter, but it's not like the lightest it could be, obviously, because there's so much hair in my head. But I'm really liking how this turned out. Sorry that I'm touching it so much. It's just like I keep looking at myself because I'm a little shook. I feel like this is also such a great summer hairstyle, so I hope I gave you guys some like hair inspo. I gave you guys some tips. I hope this helps some people out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, you know, all of that. And I'll see you guys in my next one.